Alright, what up, fellow broke boys? So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So, first to solve a Rubik's Cube, obviously you first gotta have a Rubik's Cube, so I'm gonna give my Rubik's Cube real quick. Okay, so apparently I can't find mine right now, so that's kinda like a slight problem, so I'll be back real quick. There's some cake can't fix. Hello? Are you in there? There. Nope.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, have you seen my Rubik's Cube? Alright guys, so apparently the McDonald's did not have my Rubik's Cube. But low key, I just wanted an excuse to get a fucking coffee because it's just fucking bomb. Well, alright guys, so my Domino's did not come through either. They did not have my Rubik's Cube. There's some donuts can't fix. There's nothing there, guys. Nothing there. Alright guys, so we're gonna interrupt the video right now. We're gonna bring you a blending with factory hands. So today we're gonna make a protein shake basically. So this is like for all my hard gainers out there, we're gonna make some cakes with this shit. So first you get like milk. I'm lactose intolerant, but whatever's in you gotta drink milk, like whatever's. I wanted to probably put a little bit less than that, but whatever, that's cool for right now. Put in some milk. Put in some bananas in there. Well, two actually, not some. Yeah, like that. Throw in a scoop of protein. You don't have to put protein, but I mean, whatever, you know. Put in a bunch of peanut butter. This will get you guys gained right here. And when I mean a lot, I mean like a lot of peanut butter. You should have put a bit more, but I kind of don't want that much today. I already had like two of these today. Put in some honey. Rinse the cap off. And just put on milkshake cream. Now we just wait for like a couple seconds. There, and just drink it like straight up. Failed, guys. I failed. There's some berries can't fix. Alright guys, so after all that searching, I could not find my cube, so I guess I'm gonna just borrow one of my brother's cubes. Got one. Let me mix it up for you guys real quick. And note too, you guys, I have not even like touched this thing like in a while. Like the first time I played with it like forever. So it's all mixed up. So the first thing you guys wanna do is get the cross. So you put the cross like this. I'll show you guys right now. Remember it goes blue, and then right here is Orange. Yeah, I got the cross. They're all together. Now from here, you can do with this thing called Frederick method. You go like that. You go like this. I fucked up. Got one side done. Go right here. Take this thing off. Take that guy. Boom, boom. Click that one in there. Oh, where's the green one at? Where's it? Oh, right here. How the hell do I do that one? Oh, like this? Nope, wrong one. Like this. Boom. That thing is stuck there. Take that out. Take it off again. Now it's like that. Go like this. Like that. Do this shit right here. Like that. Nope. Again. Try again. There we go. Boom, that's how you solve it, guys. In there. Alright then guys, so that's basically the end of the video for today. Obviously one thing I'm gonna try to improve on is get a better quality camera, cause as you can see, I'm working with this like little wannabe GoPro, which like, I mean for right now I guess like whatever's, you know, I gotta deal with this. But what I'm really trying to get is this thing, the OnePlus 6T. This thing has like 20 megapixel camera, so with this thing I should be able to record some like dope videos. But for now guys, I just have this thing, so you just have to like bear with me with this. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe, you know, like whatever's, like help me out, you know, drop me a like, whatever's. But yeah guys, see you guys in like what, 2 to 3 days, I promise. Late.